Gigi's all the way up on the deck now, though.
Gigi found a friend.
Yeah, that's cool. Gigi, go get him. Go get him, Gigi.
See, I ain't afraid of no dang dog. Little fuzzy ball.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Hi, sweetheart.
Hello. Go get him, Gigi. You all brave one.
My.
She's like, oh, there's no deer thing tonight.
Yeah,
Dinner served. Go get him, Gigi.
She's gonna be brave. Look at her.
Yeah, good girl.
Wasn't that fun?
Big brave one.
I'm protecting my perimeter. Gigi, get up here. Come on.